Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off answer call automatically in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on accessibility. Now here in accessibility, click on interaction and dexterity. And here in interaction and dexterity, click on answering and ending calls. Now here you will see a answer automatically button. So if you want to turn off answer calls automatically, then turn off this button. And if you want to turn on answer call automatically, then tap on this button again to turn it back on. So with this button you can turn on or turn off answer call automatically in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.